In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the comparison between BigCommerce and WooCommerce. We'll cover everything that you need to know about these two e-commerce platforms to help you make the best decision for your business. From pricing to features and integration capabilities to user experience, we'll touch on all the critical aspects that can influence your choice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, concise understanding of how BigCommerce and WooCommerce stack up against each other and which platform might be the better fit for your needs. Make sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any important details that could be crucial in making the right decision for your e-commerce business. Both BigCommerce and WooCommerce are robust e-commerce solutions, but they cater to different types of users and business needs. BigCommerce is an all-in-one hosted solution, providing everything that you need to build, launch, and manage an online store. And on the other hand, WooCommerce is an open source plugin for WordPress, offering flexibility and customization for those who already use or are comfortable with WordPress. Key differences at a glance. BigCommerce. Fully hosted platform, subscription-based pricing, built-in features and security. It's ideal for beginners and businesses wanting an all-in-one solution. Now for WooCommerce. It's an open source plugin for WordPress. WooCommerce itself is a free software, but additional costs for hosting, themes, and plugins will apply. It's highly customizable, and it's ideal for those with existing WordPress sites or who need advanced customization. Moving on to ease of use. BigCommerce is known for its ease of use, making it a great choice for complete beginners. It comes with a drag and drop builder, allowing you to design your store without any coding knowledge. The platform handles all technical aspects, including hosting, security, as well as updates. Setting up a store on BigCommerce involves a very simple and straightforward process where you sign up, choose a theme, and start adding products. It's really that simple. The admin interface is also user-friendly, and you can easily manage your store, track orders, and view analytics without needing any technical expertise. WooCommerce, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with WordPress. You need to handle the installation and maintenance of WordPress and WooCommerce, as well as any necessary plugins that you choose to use. However, once it's set up, WooCommerce offers an intuitive interface for managing products, orders, and settings. For WooCommerce, the initial setup involves choosing a hosting provider, installing WordPress, and then installing the WooCommerce plugin. After installation, you'll use a setup wizard to configure basic settings, add your products, and integrate payment gateways. Pricing. So BigCommerce offers a range of subscription plans designed to meet the needs of various different businesses. The standard plan is $29 a month, which is ideal for stores with up to $50,000 in annual sales, providing all the basic features that you need to get started. The Plus plan at $79 per month is perfect for growing stores with up to $180,000 in annual sales, including additional marketing tools and support. The Pro plan comes in at $299 per month and is designed for more advanced stores with up to $400,000 in annual sales, offering powerful features to scale up your business. And then there's the Enterprise plan, which comes with custom pricing, which is designed for larger businesses with extensive needs, offering tailored solutions and premium support. These plans come with a wide array of built-in features, eliminating the need to purchase additional plugins for essential functions, making BigCommerce a strong option for businesses that prefer an all-in-one solution. So if you're ready to take your store to the next level, be sure to use the link down in the description to explore BigCommerce and find the right plan for you and your business. Now, while WooCommerce itself is free, you'll need to factor in some additional costs to get your online store up and running. Fortunately, we have a link down in the description for Bluehost, which offers incredibly affordable hosting plans that can keep those costs down to a minimum. For instance, their basic plan is currently available for just $199 per month, a 75% discount from the regular price. This plan includes hosting for up to 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, and is ideal for handling up to 40,000 visits per month. It also comes with a free domain for the first year, free SSL via Let's Encrypt, and access to Cloudflare's CDN and DDoS protection, ensuring that your site is both secure and fast. And if you need more features than that, such as support for multiple sites, larger storage, or other e-commerce tools, then Bluehost has a range of other plans, including the Choice Plus and online store options. These plans are also discounted and provide additional benefits like daily website backups and WooCommerce auto install, which is perfect for those growing businesses. Now, with such a low starting cost for hosting, Bluehost is a great option for those looking to start their WooCommerce store without really breaking the bank. So if you're ready to get started with Bluehost, be sure to click the link down in the description to get started and take advantage of these great deals. Now, alternatively, you could use Hostinger to host your WordPress website and then install WooCommerce to that. If you click on the link down in the description, it'll bring you to this page here where you can get started with Hostinger for as low as $2.99 per month. month. Now with Hostinger, you're going to be able to create over 100 websites on their premium plan, again at just $2.99 per month. It'll handle about 25,000 visits per month. You get 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, 400,000 files and directories, pre-built templates, free automatic website migration, unlimited free SSL, and more. So just click the link down in the description, click on choose plan, and then from here, just go ahead and select the term that you want to commit to. So we'll just go ahead and click on 12 months for now. Then the last thing that you're gonna wanna do is come on down here to coupon code, type in Charlie Chang, hit apply, and you're gonna be able to get a year's worth of hosting for only $32.29, which is an amazing deal. Again, be sure to click the link down in the description and use code Charlie Chang at checkout. Features and add-ons. So BigCommerce provides a comprehensive set of features right out of the box, including SEO tools, product management, and marketing features. Its app marketplace offers additional integrations, but many essential tools are already included in the subscription. For example, BigCommerce includes features like real-time shipping quotes, abandoned cart recovery, and multi-channel selling. Example, you can sell on Facebook and Instagram without the need for additional apps. WooCommerce relies on the vast WordPress ecosystem for additional functionality. While it includes basic e-commerce features, you'll likely need to add plugins for advanced capabilities like SEO, marketing, and payment gateways. This can be an advantage as it allows for significant customization, but it can also complicate setup and increase costs. WooCommerce's flexibility allows you to extend its functionality with thousands of free and paid plugins. For example, you can add features like advanced shipping options, CRM integrations, and custom checkout fields. Themes and design. BigCommerce offers a range of themes, both free and premium, designed to be mobile friendly and optimized for conversions. The built-in customization options are robust, though less flexible when you compare it to WooCommerce. BigCommerce's themes are professionally designed and include customization options such as color schemes, fonts, and layouts. You can further customize these themes with HTML and CSS if needed and if you have the technical know-how. Now, WooCommerce leverages the extensive WordPress theme ecosystem. You can find thousands of free and premium themes, and many are designed specifically for WooCommerce. This offers greater flexibility in design and functionality, allowing you to create a truly unique store. The WordPress theme repository and marketplace, like ThemeForest, offer a wide variety of WooCommerce compatible themes. These themes can be customized using WordPress customizers or page builders like Elementor and Beaver Builder. Payment options and gateways. Both of these platforms support a wide range of payment gateways, including major providers like PayPal, Stripe, and Square. BigCommerce integrates these options natively, while WooCommerce offers them through extensions. Neither platform charges additional transaction fees, but fees from the payment processors themselves still apply. BigCommerce's native integration definitely simplifies the process of setting up payment gateways, and it includes advanced options like Amazon Pay and Apple Pay. With WooCommerce, you can add virtually any payment gateway through extensions, giving you the flexibility to choose providers that offer the best rates or specific features that you need. SEO and performance. BigCommerce includes built-in SEO features such as customizable URLs, meta descriptions, and alt text. The platform is optimized for speed and performance with automatic updates to maintain security and efficiency. BigCommerce's built-in tools help ensure your store is search engine friendly, and the platform's hosting is optimized for e-commerce performance, ensuring fast load times. WooCommerce benefits from WordPress's strong SEO capabilities. With plugins like Yoast SEO, you can optimize your site for search engines extensively. Performance depends largely on your hosting provider and how well you manage your site, including updates and optimizations. WordPress's open source nature allows you to implement advanced SEO strategies and customize your site's performance settings to achieve optimal results. Scalability. BigCommerce scales seamlessly with your business. As your store grows, you can upgrade your plan to access more features and handle higher sales volume. However, you're limited to their hosting infrastructure. BigCommerce handles scalability at the server level, ensuring that your site remains fast and responsive even during traffic spikes. WooCommerce offers limitless scalability due to its open source nature. You can switch hosting providers, upgrade your server resources, and use caching plugins to improve performance. This makes WooCommerce suitable for businesses of all sizes, though it requires more hands-on management. With WooCommerce, you have full control over your hosting environment, allowing you to optimize and scale your store according to your specific needs. Security. BigCommerce handles all security aspects, including SSL certificates, firewalls, and regular backups. This means that you don't need to worry about maintaining security protocols, making it a secure choice right out of the box. BigCommerce's security measures are managed by the platform, ensuring compliance with industry standards and protecting customer data. WooCommerce requires you to manage security measures yourself. This includes regular updates to WordPress, WooCommerce, and and all plugins, as well as implementing security plugins and SSL certificates. While this offers more control, it also means more responsibility. To secure a WooCommerce store, you'll need to follow best practices for WordPress security, such as using strong passwords, implementing two-factor authentication, and regularly scanning for malware. Customer support. BigCommerce provides 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat. Enterprise customers receive priority support, and there's extensive documentation and a community forum available. BigCommerce's support team is highly accessible and can assist with technical issues, account management, and general inquiries. WooCommerce support is primarily community-based, with forums, Slack channels, and Facebook groups. Direct support is available for premium plugin users, and there's comprehensive documentation for troubleshooting. The WooCommerce community is large and active, offering a wealth of knowledge and resources for troubleshooting and optimizing your store. Choosing between BigCommerce and WooCommerce ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. So you should choose BigCommerce if you want an all-in-one, beginner-friendly solution with built-in features and managed hosting. It's ideal for those who prefer a hands-off approach to technical management. BigCommerce is perfect for businesses that want a reliable, scalable, and secure platform without having to worry about the technical details of running a website. Now, you should choose WooCommerce if you need extensive customization, you're already using WordPress, or you want the flexibility to scale your store without changing platforms. It's perfect for those who have the technical knowledge or are willing to learn. WooCommerce is ideal for businesses that need a highly customizable solution and are comfortable managing their technical aspects of their website. Now, we hope that this comparison helps you make an informed decision for your e-commerce journey. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to drop a comment down below. And if you do want to get started with either of these platforms, again, be sure to use the link down in the description. These are affiliate links, so if you do end up using them, we get a small kickback at no extra cost to you. So if you do end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on how you can master the e-commerce world. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.